Hey, what's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. So it just finished raining the whole night and the soil is soggy. Everything is wet. We can't mow, even though we try, but we can't mow. But there's money to be made. How? Stand by. I'll show you. So this morning, since it's raining and we can't do anything else, we're going to do Pasture. So I know what you're going to say, man, I don't care about no Pasture. They pay me to pick that stuff up. I understand that, guys. They pay me also to pick it up sometimes. You know what I mean? So you're not telling me anything new. Oh man, I've never seen this before. Well, guess what? Now you're about to see it. Guys, as a professional, you need to be open-minded about different types of mulch, because if you keep skipping videos and you don't care about Pasture, you don't care about knowing about Pasture, the customer is going to ask you for Pasture, and then what you're going to do? You're going to try to DM me, or you try to look on YouTube. Come on, guys, take the time and learn about different things. This way, your mind is broad and you are a professional when it comes to different types of mulch that you can use. Now, typically a bale of Pasture covers 35 square feet. Again, this is at 2 to 3 inches. I like to put my Pasture at 5 to 6 inches because it looks good. It stops the sunlight from hitting the ground, and it gives you a better look. See how I'm tucking this in? This is going to compress. It's going to compress real nice and tight, and it's going to minimize the weeds. And this installation will last the whole year. So that's what you want to do. Make sure that you account for your location and tell the customer, listen, this is how many bales you need, plus or minus 5. All right. How do you price Pasture? Well, right now Pasture is extremely expensive. So it went up like from 2 and change to 3 and change, and now it's $4.75. So what I charge for Pasture installation is I double what the Pasture actually costs. So the Pasture is $5 and I charge $10 to install it. Okay, delivery and installation is one price. All right, and again, I price it by the bale. Okay, simple as that. Don't come up with different math or whatever the case might be. Just price it by the bale. If you're installing 10 bales and you paid $5 per bale, then the installation is going to cost you what? Double, right? Too easy, man. You make it simple and easy. Now, you may say, well, I don't like Pasture, and that's fine. It's not about what you like, it's about what the customer wants. We found here in the South, especially here in Georgia, a lot of Northerners, when they purchase their home here, the first thing they say is they want mulch, they want all this Pasture gone. And I know for a fact, come in a few weeks, they're going to tell me, hey, can you go ahead and put down some Pasture, because when in Rome, guess what? Do as the Romans do, right? Awesome. All right, guys, let me show you the final look. And remember, this Pasture is going to compress and make a tight barrier. And you don't remove the old Pasture because it helps you minimize weed germination by preventing the sunlight hitting the soil. All right? So let's move on to the next one. Now here we are at another job. I could have easily taken half a bale and put down here, but guess what? The middle of the year, I have to put down some more, and the customer is going to be upset because they have to pay again. So just make it nice and full, and it will be extremely easy for you. Now, when it comes to tucking the Pasture in, guys, there are many ways people do it. This is the way I prefer to do it. It gives me a neat looking appearance, and it works pretty well, right? Real easy. You just gotta practice, okay? You know how they say, repetition is the key to clarity, right? Too easy, man. So, installing Pasture today in these 2 properties. As a matter of fact, I did about 3 properties today, and it took me, from in the morning till about 11 o'clock. And guess what? After that, we went out and did a couple of commercial properties. So sometimes you have to kind of get you those flexible customers that you can do installations whenever you don't have anything else to do, and it'll kill time and it'll make you profitable as well. Okay, so guys, again, learn about things that you don't know about. Yes, you may say that you don't do this in your area, but eventually a customer would ask you to do it, and then guess what? You have the knowledge. All right, guys, here it is. 2 bales, 2 bales. And remember, don't stretch your bales. Charge accordingly and do the job the right way. It's going to come out looking better. Some customers will tell you, take a bale and stretch it. Then your job ends up looking like crap. And then they're going to blame you. I'd rather not do a job if it's all messed up than do one that is nice. Okay? Alright, let me put this stuff up.